Welcome to $700 Audi. Today, 2007 Mercury Milan. It's got a misfire, came in real rough. Pretty sure we already know what's going on here, but there's some other stuff going on with this car too. But the first thing we're gonna do, hook this bad boy up to a scan tool. Alright, ignition on, scan tool. I don't know if you can read this or not, but it's a cylinder contribution test. We're going to select cylinder contribution test in our scan tool. This is the Snap-on Solus Ultra, by the way. And we've got cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, it's kind of blurry. Fire this thing up without stepping on the gas or anything. Ooh. Alright. Didn't like that at all. Right, let's give this another shot here. Alright. So I know for a fact cylinder number 4 right here was giving us a high count. And it actually ran for a little while with that disconnected. When I pulled cylinder 4 out, I'm going to show you guys because I actually switched it to cylinder 5. That's part of the diagnostic process. The ignition coil on cylinder 4, halfway down the electrode, was just fried. Like the thing probably wanted to start on fire. But now we've got 400 counts in cylinder 5, which is the one I swapped it to. Let's see one more time if I can get this thing running. Nope. But anyway, you see the point here. We got 777. So this isn't like misfires. This is cylinder contribution. So it's how much the cylinder is contributing to power in the engine as opposed to the misfires. So when I see negative 777, that means that cylinder is contributing 777 value, whatever it is, less than our base cylinder, which in this case is 4. Give this one more shot, see if we can get it started. Nope, now the battery's dead. Okay, so take a little break, chop this video up, and show you what I found when I took apart cylinder 4. I'm going to swap these back and probably quote him some new ignition coils. Turn this off. I'll show you guys what I'm doing here. Alright, so this is the front of the engine here, and you can always tell because this is where the belt drive is. Let me see if we can get a decent, maybe turn the light on here. So you can see the belt down there. That's where the belt drive is. So we know that's the front of the engine. And it basically goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one was super messed up, and I swapped it with this one, which is cylinder 5. When I took this thing out, it was hot and it stunk like it was burning, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so just to give you an idea, this was initially cylinder 4, okay? And this thing is cooked. And that's the one I moved from cylinder 5 and I put it in cylinder 4. So I just took them apart. It's just these bolts right here. I'm using a 5/16 socket with a ratchet. Works beautiful. But this thing is super hot to the touch. I'm talking probably close to like 300 degrees. It stinks too, and it's coming apart. So I know, and I don't even think this little black line right here, I don't even think that was there before. This thing is cooked. Maybe I'll pull out a thermometer so you guys can see. I got an infrared thermometer, but this thing is hot. Like, I can smell it from here. And then this is our good coil. So normally how you diagnose a misfire, the easiest thing to do is usually pop a couple of these coils off. Now if it was one of the cylinders back here in the back, it'd be a little more complicated, but luckily it was cylinder 4, which is this one right here. Like I said, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So easy enough just to swap cylinder 4 and 5 with the ignition coils. If that wouldn't have worked, if the misfire would have stayed in 4, then I would have swapped the spark plugs next, and then injectors. Basically you just work from the most common issue to the least common issue. But yeah, this car came in with a real bad misfire, and that thing is smoked. So we're gonna recommend all 6. And we'll see what they get, but if they can at least get 2 or 3, we can do this side and then leave the other side, save them some money. But that's what's going on with this car. Just surprised, I've never seen one like that. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more car videos, more cool stuff. I'm going to show you guys some videos of me working on my own car, the Q5 diesel. We're going to take that thing to the track one day. It's going to be awesome. So like and subscribe for this, and we'll see you next time.